In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify storefront by customizing your online store with a beautiful image gallery. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we want to make sure that we're on the right platform, so go ahead and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Shopify's website URL and hit enter. Once the Shopify login page loads up, enter your credentials and sign into your account. If you're new to Shopify, you'll need to create an account first by following their straightforward setup process. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard where you'll find an option labeled Online Store. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of various customization options for your store. In this menu, you'll spot a button named Customize. Clicking on Customize is going to take you to the theme editing page, the hub of designing and modifying your Shopify store's look and feel. After arriving at the theme editing page, you'll see Shopify provides numerous features to help you tailor your store's interface. Now let's make our way to where we can add our image gallery. Look for a button labeled Add Section. This button is your gateway to introducing various content blocks to your store. Once you've clicked it, you'll be presented with a selection of different section types you can add. Navigate through these options until you find Collage. This option is fantastic for uploading multiple images in a visually appealing format, creating an eye-catching display for your customers. Clicking on Collage will prompt the section to appear in your theme, giving you the ability to upload and arrange your image gallery just the way you like it. This feature is highly customizable, allowing you to present your products, lookbooks, or inspiring content in a sleek, modern layout that speaks to your brand's identity. Make sure to upload images that are high quality and reflect the aesthetic of your brand to maintain professionalism and appeal. Once you've arranged your images and are satisfied with how your gallery looks, you can hit the Save button to lock in your changes. Don't worry, you can always come back and tweak the gallery as you see fit. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Shopify store by adding a vivid collage of images, enhancing the visual engagement for your visitors. Feel free to preview your changes by clicking on View Your Store to witness your newly customized storefront in all its glory. This small update can make a big difference, helping you to stand out in the competitive online market. Thanks for following along with our guide today on enhancing your Shopify store with a custom image gallery. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep experimenting with different elements in the Shopify theme editor to further personalize your store. Happy selling, and see you in the next tutorial.